Okay.
Hello, my name is Lily. This is Sparkle Shine Design, and today I'm getting my ears pierced. So, we'll see you when we get there.
3 white gold shoes.
Alright, here, I'll hold that. Thank you. Sorry.
Gracie Alley.
Okay, Lily.
Excuse me, guys.
Okay, let me look. I think so, yeah. You want to look and see if they look even? And that's it. Your ears are pierced. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, that looks even. The other girl? Okay, sounds good.
Excuse me.
Getting a hug from her cousin. Being her moral support, right? We've got Pooh Bear and Blanky all ready to
I
go.
got my ear pierced.
My dad got his ears pierced. Only his left one.
All in my left.
Only your left?
Back in the day, that was.
That's right. Okay.
Those look even, Erica? I think they're up a bit high.
You think a little bit high?
Yeah, it's too high.
Should we go a little bit lower then?
Yeah, we're like close to her, like, cartilage up there.
Yeah. Okay.
All creases are gone.
We don't want it too close to the cartilage.
You already got those.
They're gonna clean off those purple dots that you have there, and they're put some new ones down a little bit lower. Okay.
Mommy, okay?
Look at mommy.
Lined up. Alright, I'm lined up.
You got it, sweetie. You're good.
1, 2, 3.
All done.
Those are pretty.
Wow. What do you think, Lils? Still thinking? Thank you.
2 points?
Wow.
Yes, please.
Lily, you did better than me. Can you explain?
You did great. Do you want to see it?
After you get your ears pierced, you have the option to choose between the surgeons or earrings. Oh, so you go and buy these? Yeah, and then get those. It's $5.
Lils, what do you think? No reaction yet?
Yeah.
I think that might be the reaction.
That's it. That's true.
We'll wait till she sees them.
That's all you get, Mom.
Yeah, that's all.
Much better.
Do we lose the mirror? Oh, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, there we go.
There's a smile. Okay, go ahead.
So, getting my ears pierced wasn't that bad. All it was a little pinch, but it kind of hurted a little bit. But it still kind of hurts, but it wasn't that bad at all. And if you see, I got these heart ones. So, this is the end of this whole video.